In this video, I will show you how to use Paycor if you're an employee or an employer. For employers or admins, first, log in, go to the Paycor website and sign in, click on it, choose the admin option, then enter your username and password. Add a manager or managed employees, go to the employee section and click add employee, then enter the details such as their name, SSN number, email, pay rate and tax withholdings. You can also invite employees to set up their self-service access. Run payroll. Go to the payroll section, choose the pay period and enter hours, worked or salary. Review and approve. Approve any deductions, bonuses or reimbursements, then click submit payroll. Set up managed taxes. Paycor automatically calculates and files federal, state and local taxes. You can view tax filings under the reports or tax service tab. Track time and attendance if enabled. Use the time tracking module to monitor hours, breaks and paid time off. Approve time cards before running payroll. View reports. Go to the report section to view report payroll summaries, type documents and employee earnings history. For employees, first, activate your account. Accept the email invite from Paycor. Set up your password and complete your account process. Log into your Paycor employee dashboard to access your pay stubs, tax forms, benefit information and more. Update personal information. You can update your address, emergency contact, direct deposit details directly in your profile. Request PTO or paid time off or view your schedule. You can use the time off tab to request leave or check your current paid time off balance and approve status. Now you know how to use Paycor as an employee and employer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.